Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Makeup. Today's video I am going to use a different palette, and my friend gifted me with two palettes, this one and this one. I already opened them, the packaging, and then this is what the palette looks like, and the inside of the palette, it does have a mirror, and these are the colors. The palette say I Do Not Care by Violet Voss. So cute, you know, like I don't care. I do not care, but it's I do not care. Okay. And the second one, which is a palette I wanted because after I stopped getting BoxyCharm, I saw that palette and I was like, now that I no longer get BoxyCharm, now BoxyCharm have it. And it's by Beauty Bakeries and it's called So Ya Doing. Like, so how are you doing? So it's like, so, this is so cute, the names that they give them. It has a mirror and this is what the palettes look like. So today I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery one to create an eye look. I love it. So what are you doing? This is cute, this is cute, this is cute, cute, cute. Okay, I am sweating, but we're riding, we're going with it. Menopause can't stop us. The yellow in that palette. I want to try it out. Also, today the word is, well, I'll give the definition of the word. And then I'll see what the word for today is. I'm trying to make these videos short, sweet, quick, so I don't waste your time. I am doing this every morning. I wake up, I take a shower, I have my coffee and whatever I'm having for breakfast, and I come here and sit and do my makeup for the day. It makes me very happy and I enjoy doing it. I record it and put it on YouTube, hoping that it will encourage somebody to get out of bed and do something, or stay in bed and do your makeup. Take your palettes out, have a little fun, bring a little happiness and joy to you. That is my only purpose of recording it and putting it on YouTube. The next color I'm using is this one. I don't know where this look is going, but I am going somewhere with this look. I am going into a shimmer here. I have two mats on and I'm going into a shimmer. It looks more like a foil. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. Today's word is Today's word, can be called change. It can be called alteration. It can be called modification. This color is very pretty. Very, very pretty. I'm now going to use a brush to fix this shimmer, and I wet the brush just to see if I'll get different look with it. I'm going back into the second color, which is like a red, and I'm gonna go right back in the crease. Also in the outer corner. And today's word is transformation. It can be called change, it can be called alteration, it can be called modification. The definition for transformation is a thorough or dramatic change in form of appearance. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I, Simply Makeup, will see you in another video. Remember, whatever transformation you feel that you need to create in your life, let it be good for you. Transformation come in different ways, different shape, different form, different size. You can transform your home, you can transform your mind, you can transform your body, but let it be a good transformation that's going to bring you joy. And what I use today on my lips is Rare Beauty. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you soon.